Anchor text is a fancy name for the words contained in the clickable part of a link. While you often see call to action words like click here or more info as link anchor text, that's not usually the best use of it. Anchor text is important to SEO because it tells people and search engines what the page they're about to click on is all about. Use it to succinctly describe the resulting page. Often it makes sense to use an important keyword phrase within your anchor text. Search engines put a lot of weight on anchor text, so be sure to use your keyword phrases accordingly. Let's see what anchor text looks like in the source code of the page. Here are the anchor text words within the Ahref tags. You can see Kindle accessories, book reviews, the Kindle, and contact us and subscribe. Now let's see how they show up on the web page itself. Here's the same links we were just looking at. Kindle accessories, book reviews, the Kindle, and contact us. Those are all anchor text links. Then there's also call to action links within the page itself. And here, this navigation is all made up of anchor text, and we're trying to use good keyword phrases within each of them. You have control within your website to describe each page that you're pointing people to by using the best keyword phrase possible throughout the use of your anchor text. Make sure you write these as descriptively as you can, since they're so important to your overall SEO program. Images on your website can be described using alt attribute text, also known as alt tags. For SEO purposes, it's especially important if you're using images as your navigation rather than text links. Basically, you'll want to use the same descriptive words you'd put into the anchor text of a text link as the alt attribute information. It's fine to use image navigation as long as you do that. So let's look at what the alt attribute looks like in the source code of your page. This time we're going to use the Kindle case page to look at the source code. And since we have so much here, it's going to be hard to find, so we'll do a Control F and search for alt. And there it is. Kindle case is our alt attribute text that describes the picture of the Kindle case. So let's see if we can see what it looks like on the page. Now this says My Kindle Case. In this case, because we're using Firefox, we see the link title attribute text showing up instead, which says My Kindle Case rather than what I have in the alt tag, which was just Kindle Case. Search engines, however, will index the alt attribute text and not the link title attribute. And then for non-clickable images, you should just describe what the image is in your alt attribute text. It's typically not helpful for SEO purposes on these images, as the search engines only usually index information in the alt tags of clickable images.